my name is Mika Pineda, and while the rest of the world has been obsessing over Dalgona coffee, you see it everywhere, right? On TikTok, everywhere else. I have been experimenting with my very own MILO Dalgona. And after 3 failed attempts, it's currently failing. I was inspired by your Dalgona coffee video, but I tried it with MILO and currently I am failing miserably. Do you see what I see? I think I spoke too soon, it's sinking. So to all of those YouTube videos there saying that people, oh man, I spilled it on the table. And after 3 failed attempts, finally, I have struck gold. But with normal Dalgona coffee, we know that it's equal parts of coffee, sugar, and water. With MILO Dalgona, it's a little bit trickier because there is a secret ingredient. All you need is 4 tablespoons of MILO or 1 whole sachet. 2 tablespoons of sugar. The secret ingredient. 1 egg yolk. I know what you're thinking. Oh no, what are we gonna do? What about salmonella? So, we shall temper the yolk. Now, this is a very crucial step. Your water has to be boiling hot. See, there's smoke coming out of my pot. And we're supposed to temper the egg to avoid exactly that, salmonella. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of very hot water into my egg, but mixing it at the same time, like this. Because what you don't want is the egg to cook on its own because it's going to coagulate. So I'm adding my 2nd tablespoon of water. The egg in this is gonna make sure that our MILO Dalgona is gonna froth properly. Whip it good. And now, my moment of truth. It's time to scoop out our MILO Dalgona. That, ooh, lovely, perfectly frothed MILO. Oops. The reason why we put time and effort into making complicated things in the kitchen or just trying out stuff on the internet with regards to food, the taste. Time to try it. Wow. That's purely MILO. I don't even get any of the milk. I can confidently say this MILO Dalgona, 5 stars. It's really, really good. Try it at home. Tell me what you think. And leave some comments in the description box. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna go enjoy this.